Hi, this is Allie from Allie Crafts. I want to do a really quick video on how I made this little mini prayer book using a kit that I made using the Delight in the Day collection from Illustrated Faith. So this is kind of the finished book, and I will do a flip through of that really quickly, but I just want to show you what I used to make it. So this is the 12 by 12 paper that has 3 by 4 cards from this collection. This is what's on the back of that. Again, this is the Delight in the Day collection from Illustrated Faith. So this is what I used for the cover, and the other side of that is really, really cute. I love all the hot air balloons. And then I also used the 12 by 12 foundation sheet, and it has alpha letters and a bunch of like cardstock stickers, and then these really cute borders. And then I also used a couple sheets of Library of God cards from my shop, and then I also used the Live Love prayer request cards, so you can kind of see those colors. These actually match this kit perfectly because Bella Boulevard does a really great job of keeping similar colors in collections. So what I did to make this, as you can see, it's a little bit smaller than all of those pages. So I just cut all of these down, and I rounded the corners, and then I did the same thing, cut these out, rounded the corners for the prayer cards, and then with the 12 by 12 paper, I cut all of the 3 by 4 cards out individually, and then I traced one of the prayer cards and made a cover out of this, so a front cover and a back cover. So as you can kind of see, this is the front cover and the back cover. It's really nice because it has something on both sides. I did that upside down, but just a flip through, just so you can kind of see it come together a little bit easier, and it's better than me explaining. So front cover, and then I also have in my kit these little tip-ins from the same collection. So they're meant to go in the margin of your Bible, but I just kind of chopped off the first part and punched a hole, and they're really great for prompts. So always have a song in your heart and ice cream in your hand, and it's kind of like journaling on the back. I'm called to, and it's really like, I love having mini books that have different sizes, and so this gives some really different dimension and some prompts. So then the 3 by 4 cards I cut out, punched at the top, another tip in, and then I went ahead and decorated each of the prayer cards with some of the cardstock stickers. And I did the same for the Library of God cards. Another 3 by 4 card, another tip in, the Library of God cards decorated, another tip in, another 3 by 4 card, and it just kind of repeats. So I like to alternate. So then I even included some just plain pieces of paper since I had extra in the middle, and just kept going. So I hope that's kind of helpful. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. Also, please know that this kit is actually for sale right now in my Etsy shop, so I'll link that below. So everything you need to make exactly what I made, and all you need is a hole punch and some scissors. So hope that helps. Bye!